I like to think of stained glass as a narrative art form. It was developed to tell biblical stories to pre-literate societies using glass and light. I like to think that the glasswork in the center block tells Canada's stories.
During the rehabilitation of the Parliament Building's centre block, the stunning stained glass windows in the memorial chamber are being carefully removed in order to safeguard them. Conservators like Mark Thompson have been given the important task of ensuring these precious heritage assets are preserved for future generations. Located in the Peace Tower, the Memorial Chamber's stained glass windows play an important role in creating a special atmosphere in this national space. Designed by Canadian artist Frank S.J. Hollister, the windows were installed in the late 1920s to honor those who sacrificed their lives in the Great War and other conflicts over the last century. The windows commemorate the call to service, remembrance, and peace.
It represents a huge part of Canadian commitment and call to service. And protecting these assets ahead of the major construction is one of the most important projects that we have underway.
The removal is no easy feat. The stained glass windows are delicate. They are made of colored glass and kiln-fired vitreous enamel, which is a glass particle-based paint. Each stained glass window requires about 10 days of effort by qualified craftspeople to prepare the workspace, carefully remove and document the windows. They are then individually crated and shipped for safekeeping at an off-site restoration facility in the National Capital Region. Some pieces will need careful restoration work by conservators before they can be reinstalled.
Most of the windows are being removed for restoration. There are a few newer ones that are also being removed for safekeeping during the construction phase. Well, this will be my last project. I'm 63 years old. I'll be retiring after this, but it's by far the most interesting and comprehensive and the best collection of glass I've ever worked on.
Being a project manager on the Centre Block project, and specifically with the fragile asset removals and the stained glass removal project, there's a lot of honor, but there's also the burden of responsibility to ensure that this project runs smoothly. Centre Block is important not only for Parliament Hill, but also for all Canadians, and that is throughout the entire project taken very much to heart.
The ongoing work within this iconic building ensures the centre block will continue to serve Canada and Canadians.